everyone, welcome back with me Putri. In this occasion, I want to share about how to produce a sound. This time, I will use the example of a pair of f and v. Both of f and v are labiodental fricative consonants. Labiodental fricative consonants means air is forced through the upper teeth and lower lip. However, f is voiceless and v is voice. When you pronounce f, your vocal cords should not vibrate. But when you pronounce v, your vocal cords vibrate when they are produced. Air from the lungs will come out through the oral cavity and expel through the upper teeth and lower lip. You can see in this video, when the sound f is produced, the vocal cords don't vibrate. While when the sound v is produced, the vocal cords vibrate. Okay, before getting into the example of voiceless labiodental fricative and v voice labiodental fricative, I will demonstrate how to pronounce f and v. F and v are pronounced with the same mouth position of the top teeth beating the bottom lip, but with f pronounced with more air and no use of the voice box, like this. And v, v, v. Okay, for more detailed pronunciation of f and v, you can see in the next video.
V, v, v.
After seeing how to produce and pronounce of voiceless labiodental fricative and v voice labiodental fricative, I will give you an example of minimal pair f and v. In here, there is an example of a voiceless labiodental fricative. First is fan, fan. And the second is leave, leave. And next is save, save. In here, there is an example of v voice labiodental fricative. The first is van, van. And the next, leave, leave. And the last, save, save. See, it's different, right? Well, I guess you already understand how to produce and how to pronounce f and v. Okay, I think that's enough for an explanation of how to produce sound. I hope you like this video and I hope this can be useful for you. Sorry if I made some mistakes. See you in the next video. If you have suggestion or criticism for me, you can type in the comment columns. Okay, bye bye!